This is Mark from Fitness for Life, but we're not at Fitness for Life today. We're at my home. I am 24 hours out of surgery. And what I wanted to demonstrate first is the easy way to go down steps when you don't have a handrail. There's not always handrails available. I'd always recommend using a handrail if you have one. But when you don't, just as simply collapsing your walker, making sure you're staying straight over it, and you can put it on the step below, or you can go 2 steps and down, but you lead with the surgical leg going down. When we end this, I'll show you how to go up them. But to give you a preview, you're going to lead with the good leg going up. Now, so what I wanted to do today is go over some things about a total knee replacement as it actually happened. So like I said, I'm 24 hours out. I had a spinal block, so I wasn't under full anesthetic, they say, which is why I'm halfway coherent. And they shaved the back of my kneecap, but did not have to put a button on it. So they resurfaced the upper and lower leg bones, the femur and tibia. Sometimes they have to put a button on your kneecap. They did not on mine. So I was happy with that. So let's talk about some total knee things. All right. So no journey through this, because what I plan to do is film my journey through my rehab and going through this and try to relate to you what it feels like to me. So what I want you to understand, though, what I'm going to go over with you is how I do it. That not anybody else's story or how they feel. This is how I'm feeling at this moment, everybody being different. The second thing is some of the stuff you're going to see isn't the norm. So I'm going to caution you, listen to your doctor, listen to your PT, whoever you go to. But the way I'm doing this is my way and the way that I would do it on myself. But always remember, the doctor has to say, and your PT, wherever you go to, listen to them. So I want to disclaimer that. So no journey would be complete without a beginning. So I've known for a few years I was going to have to eventually get a knee replacement. Why I was able to hold off till 73 years old is because of my studies at the Gray Institute with Gary Gray and his associates in applied functional science. So I have been on a heavy training program before. Now, a couple of years ago, I didn't know when I'd be getting one, but I just knew I could prolong it for quite a while, which I did. But by following the principles of applied functional science and rehabbing myself in all 3 planes of motion, all different positions, turning on all the muscles in the body, not just trying to get on a machine and lift your leg, I was able to postpone how long I could last with this. And I finally the time comes, and everybody has told me, and now I can attest to it too, you know when it's time. So you'll know when you get there, because you'll be asking your doctor, okay, now it's time. So I'm not going to go into the prehab exercises now. We can do that another time if there's an interest in it. But just know I trained for this like somebody would train for the Super Bowl or the World Series. So you take it serious, and the better that you train yourself prehab, the better you're going to come out of it. If you have further questions on that, contact us at Fitness for Life.